Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. It's a relatively quiet day on Wall Street. The Dow is up only about 10 points. The S&P and NASDAQ are also up just slightly. They've actually been down for most of the day, so they're making a bit of a recovery. Oil prices are actually down today as well. It came after the EIA reported that U.S. crude inventories went up last week by 2.2 million barrels. And at the same time, U.S. crude oil production hit an all-time high of about 9.62 million barrels a day in the week through November 3rd. Also, a couple other stories that we are looking at. 2 days ago, we told you how Broadcom had made an unsolicited bid for Qualcomm to buy it for $105 billion. It would be the largest takeover in the history of the tech industry. And shares in both companies actually jumped on that news a couple days ago. But today, Qualcomm actually got an additional boost after analyst RBC Capital upgraded the company, raising its price target from $55 to $70 a share. The firm says that it is unlikely that this first bid is going to be the last one, so there is a chance that the price could go even higher. And one other thing, we're going to be looking at Wendy's. I love a Wendy's. I love the single. I love the, what do they call those? The Frosties. Wendy's actually took a drop this morning, fell 6% after it reported lower than expected profit and sales for the third quarter. The burger chain says that hurricanes curtailed traffic in restaurants in Florida and Texas, and it had to cut its full year earnings forecast. Now, analysts were not satisfied with management's plans to counter the new meal options from rivals Burger King and McDonald's, but the company's management team did point out that sales are still strong when you take a look at the past couple of years. So as we can see, here is what happened. Actually, this is the 2-year chart. And you can see that even though it is down, and you can see this dip here, 2 years alone, it's actually doing pretty good, which is probably why the stock was able to make a bit of a recovery. Right now, Wendy's is actually only down a little, about 2%. That's it for your afternoon market report. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you at the close.